Hello, children. Welcome back to your English class. I'm sure you all are good. Students, today we are going to start with the second lesson of your supplementary reader, An Alien Hand. And the name of the chapter is Bringing Up Curry. And it is written by Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. Students, Curry here is a baby elephant. Okay. First of all, let's go through the theme of the lesson or moral that we are going to get from this lesson. Let us see. The story depicts the moral that animals too have the ability of sometimes being more caring and loving than human beings. So sometimes animals also have that ability of caring and loving and more than human, right? They can be more brave and quite sensible in comparison to man sometimes. Sometimes animal भी बहुत ज़्यादा caring हो सकते हैं, loving हो सकते हैं, and they can be brave, right? And how can we say that? That we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, so this is the basic moral that you are going to get from this lesson. So let us start the lesson. Curry is a 5-month-old baby elephant. He lives and grows up with his 9-year-old friend and keeper. Basically, students, bringing up Curry, जो आपका title है lesson का, bringing up means when you take care of someone and you help them grow. Okay, right? So bringing up is you just take care of that person, right? You nurture them, right? To take care of their education, their health and all. Okay, so how this baby elephant was taken care of, that we are going to see. So who's a Curry? Curry is a 5-month-old baby elephant. He used to live and grew up with his 9-year-old friend. 9-year-old friend was there, and he that person was a keeper also. Keeper means the one who take care of you. Okay, जो आपका ख्याल रखते हैं. So the narrator, जो story के narrator हैं, he is the 9-year-old boy who used to take care of this baby elephant. Okay. Curry doesn't eat much, just about 16 kilograms of delicious twigs a day. So Curry doesn't eat much. Kitna, right? It is not like a foodie or something. Just 16 kilograms of delicious twigs. Now what are twigs? Twigs are like thin branches. जो thin branches होती है ना, those, right? He is playful and sensitive, and Curry saves a boy from drowning. So this Curry elephant saves a boy from drowning. Drowning means sinking. Okay, डूबना. So how this baby elephant saved a boy from drowning, that we are going to see in this part. Okay. Curry, the elephant, was 5 months old when he was given to me to take care of, right? So the narrator is saying that Curry was of 5 months when he was given to the narrator to be taken care of, right? I was 9 years old, narrator 9 years ke the, and I could reach his back if I stood on tiptoe. So this, as you can see in the picture, like it was a baby elephant, right? So the narrator could reach him. कैसे वो उन तक पहुंच पाते थे? By standing on tiptoe. Do you know what is tiptoe? When you stand on your toes, आप toes पे खड़े हो जाते हो. Okay? He seemed to remain that high for nearly 2 years. So he was of that height for 2 years. We grew together. वो दोनों साथ में बड़े हुए. That is probably why I never found out just how tall he was. Okay? Because they both grew together. वो साथ में ही बड़े हुए थे. Okay, so he could not find out that how tall he was. He lived in a pavilion. Now what is a pavilion, students? Actually it's an open structure like tent hota, as you can see in the picture. Okay, tent sort of. Under a thatched roof which rested on thick tree stumps so that it could not fall in when Curry bumped against the walls as he moved out. Obviously when he'll move out, he'll just may touch the poles and all. आप देख रहे हो, poles are there. Okay, so it was a thatched roof, right? Like which it was made up of straws and all. So thatched roof was there. Okay, it was covered with straw and plant material. Okay, so here he lived. Okay, with strong poles. Poles means those poles on which this roof was there. Okay, वो ऐसे poles थे जिस पे ये roof खड़ी हुई थी. Okay. So he lived in a pavilion. One of the first things Curry did was to save the life of a boy. Okay, he saved the life of a boy. Curry did not eat much, but he nevertheless needed 40 pounds of twigs a day to chew and play with. So obviously, he saved a boy, and for that, if we talk about his diet, he used to eat 40 pounds of twigs. Those thin branches खाता था वो, right? And used to play with them. Every day I used to take him to the river in the morning for his bath. So narrator जो है story जो बता रहे हैं, the narrator, the boy, right? He used to take him, वो उसको लेके जाते थे. He used to take him to the pond, right? For bath. He used to take him to the river for bathing, right? He would lie down on the sand, as you can see, that like elephants do. You must have seen. ऐसा करते हैं elephants. They lie down on the sand bank. Okay. While I rubbed him with the clean sand of the river for an hour. After that, he would lie in the water for a long time. On coming out, his skin would be shining like ebony, and he would squeal with pleasure as I rubbed water down his back. So he used to play there, right? He used to enjoy that bath. Okay, he would just lie down on the sand, and the narrator would used to rub him. Okay, and when he used to come out, his skin would be shining. Ebony is black colored, black brown timber. So that shine was there used to be there on the skin of Curry when he used to come back, okay, from bathing. Then I would take him by the ear, because that is the easiest way to lead an elephant. You must have seen जो tamers होते हैं elephant के, they just take the elephant holding their ears, because उनके ears बहुत बड़े होते हैं, okay, right, and leave him on the edge of the jungle while I went into the forest to get some luscious twigs for his dinner. Okay, so used to leave him in the forest so that he can eat whatever he wants to, and narrator used to get into the forest to bring what? Twigs for the elephant, Curry, right? Once he has to have a very sharp hatchet to cut down these twigs. It takes half an hour to sharpen the hatchet, because if a twig is mutilated, an elephant will not touch it. So, this narrator used to just sharp the hatchet. Now, hatchet is actually a small axe. ओके, एक कुल्हाड़ी होती है जिससे आप ट्विग्स को, ब्रांचेस को शार्प करते हो. ओके, सो ही हैव अ वेरी शार्प हैचेट टू कट डाउन दीज ट्विग्स. ओके, सो यूज्ड टू शार्पन दिस टूल. ओके, वो उस टूल को शार्प करते थे, राइट, बिकॉज अगर कोई भी ट्विग म्यूटिलेटेड रह जाता, म्यूटिलेटेड मीन्स डैमेज्ड. ओके, सो अगर एलिफेंट को लगता था कोई भी ट्विग डैमेज्ड है, सो ही वुड नॉट टच इट. Okay, so the narrator used to sharpen the tool, axe, and then he used to, give finishing touch to all the twigs. Okay, it was not an easy job to get twigs and saplings for Curry. Okay, saplings are small plants. Okay, I had to climb all kinds of trees to get the most delicate and tender twigs. So, the narrator जो थे उनको बहुत trees को देखना पड़ता था, and he used to collect all the soft twigs that Curry could eat. As he was very fond of young branches, the banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral of leaves and branches, I was gathering some one spring day in March, when I suddenly heard Curry calling to me in the distance. So students, one day what happened, this narrator, right, he was carrying some leaves and branches for Curry. Okay, वो कुछ branches लेके जा रहे थे, and what did he, he just heard some noise of Curry, right? He was gathering all the branches and all, when I suddenly heard Curry calling to me in the distance. That means दूर से आवाज आई, as if Curry was calling the narrator. उसे बुला रहे थे, right? As he was still very young, the call was more like that of a baby than an elephant. So basically, students, it was a baby elephant, right? So although he was shouting or calling out loud, but the voice was just like a baby की voice है जैसे, right? I thought somebody was hurting him, so I came down from my tree and ran very fast to the edge of the forest where I had left him, but he was not there. Okay, so as soon as the narrator heard the voice of Curry, he thought that someone is hurting him, कि कोई उनको hurt कर रहा है. So he suddenly ran towards Curry. Okay, but he could not find him. But उन्हें वो Curry वहाँ पे नहीं मिला, right? I looked all over, but I could not find him. I went near the edge of the water and saw a black something struggling above its surface. So he looked all over. उन्होंने सारे देखा just to see Curry, that where was he. But then he went near the edge of the water, right corner, that bank area of the water, and he saw that something black was struggling on the above the surface. Struggling means doing something, right, as if the person or the black thing is sinking and it is trying to come out. Okay, then it rose higher and it was the trunk of my elephant. I thought he was droning. So when it came higher, वो थोड़ा ऊपर आया surface से, and what was that? That was the trunk of the elephant Curry, and narrator thought that he was droning. narrator को क्या लगा कि Curry क्या हो रहा है, sink हो रहा है, right, डूब रहा है. I was helpless because I could not jump into the water and save the 400 pounds of him, since he was much higher than I. So, the narrator got helpless. उनको समझ नहीं आया था कि वो क्या करे, because he cannot jump into the water and save this heavy elephant. You all know elephants are very heavy. Okay, so he just thought that what should I do? He could not save him. So he was helpless. उन्हें समझ नहीं आया था उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए. But I saw his black rise above the water, and the moment he caught my eye, he began to trumpet and struggle up to the shore. So suddenly he saw him coming up, right? Then he still trumpeting. Trumpeting is like making noise, right? Trumpet, you all know the noise made by elephants. He pushed me into the water, and as I fell into the stream, I saw a boy lying flat on the bottom of the river. So who was there inside? Who was droning? Who was sinking? A boy was there. He had not altogether touched bottom, but was somewhat afloat. So actually the boy had not touched the bottom. Bottom means बिल्कुल नीचे वाला part. He had not touched the bottom, but he was a bit floating. थोड़ा वो float कर रहे थे, that boy. So did you see? So why did he go there? He went there to save that boy from drowning. Okay, he himself was not drowning. Now what happened? I came to the surface of the water to take my breath, and there Curry was standing, his feet planted in the sand bank and his trunk stretched out like a hand waiting for mine. So this narrator, he just came up, right, from the water, and he saw, उन्होंने क्या देखा, that Curry was standing with his legs, where? With his legs, his feet planted in the sand. Sand में plant हो गए थे. Plant means as if they were stuck in the sand, and it looked as if his trunk looked as if a hand was there. Okay, the Curry just took out his trunk to help narrator. Okay, I dived down again, pulled the body of droning boy to the surface, but not being a good swimmer, I could not swim ashore, and slow current was already dragging me down. So the narrator dived. That means he just went inside the water and he just brought that boy who was sinking, right? He brought that boy who was sinking, but the narrator was not a good swimmer. उनको swimming अच्छे से नहीं आती थी. So he could not swim ashore. That means वो bank of the river तक नहीं आ पाए. Okay, and the slow current of water, slow waves of water were already pushing him away because he was not a good swimmer. Seeing us drift by in the current, Curry, who was usually slow and ponderous, suddenly darted down like a hawk and came halfway into the water, where I saw him stretch out his trunk again. So as they were drifting means moving away. जैसे slow waves आती हैं तो आप move करते जाते हो waves के साथ पानी में, right? Same way the narrator was moving away. So suddenly Curry was slow because he was heavy, so he was slow, but that time he quickly jumped into the water and he just came there and just stretched his trunk. उन्होंने अपनी trunk को क्या किया? Stretch out किया, right? To help the narrator and the boy. Can you see in the picture also? The elephant, the Curry, has just stretched out his trunk to help the narrator and the boy. I raised up my hand to catch it and it slipped. I found myself going under the water again. So actually he just tried to catch the trunk, but it slipped. वो slip हो गया and he was again droning in the water. But this time I found that water was not very deep. So I sank to the bottom of river and doubled my feet under me, and then suddenly kicked the river bed so shot upwards like an arrow, in spite of fact that I was holding the drawing boy with my hand. So what did he do, narrator? Because the water was not so deep, ज़्यादा deep नहीं था water. So what did he do? He just went inside the water and he just tapped his feet. उन्होंने क्या किया, अपने feet को tap किया नीचे and quickly वो ऊपर आ गए, right? With the boy in his hand. Boy was there na in his hand. As my body rose above the water, I felt the lasso around my neck. This frightened me. I thought some water animal was going to swallow me. I heard Curry squealing and I knew it was his trunk around my neck. So as he was just moving above, what did he feel? He felt as if koi rope like, lasso is like rope, rassi, right? Rope around his neck, and he thought, उनको क्या लगा कि कोई water animal आ गया है. But actually what was it? It was Curry's trunk, जो help करने के लिए Curry ने stretch की थी, right? Just to save him. So it was, what was there around his neck? It was Curry's trunk. Curry was like a baby. He had to be trained to be good, as if you did not tell him what he was naughty when he was naughty, and he was up to more mischief than ever. So actually Curry was like a baby, right? He had to be trained. उसको training की ज़रूरत थी, right? If you did not tell him that he was naughty, अगर आप उसे नहीं बताओगे कि वो naughty है तो वो और ज़्यादा naughty हो जाता, right? So you need to be trained. For instance, one day somebody gave him some bananas to eat. So for instance means for example. One day what happened? Someone gave him some bananas. किसी ने उनको कुछ bananas दिए to eat. Very soon he developed a great love for ripe bananas, and soon उनको ripe bananas बहुत अच्छे लगने लग गए. We used to keep large plates of fruit on the table near a window in the dining room. So narrator at his place, he used to keep a plate of fruits on their dining table. So what happened? One day all the bananas on that table disappeared, and my family blamed the servants for eating all the fruits in the house. So one day what happened? From that plate, क्या हुआ? उस plate में से सारे bananas they disappeared, गायब हो गए, right? And their family, उन्होंने किसको blame किया? Servants को, कि servants ने सारे bananas, fruits सारे खा लिए हैं. A few days later, fruit disappeared again. This time blame was put on me, and I knew I had not done it. Okay, and कुछ दिनों बाद फिर से क्या हुआ? सारे bananas गायब हो गए, right? और उनको blame किसको किया गया? Narrator को. But narrator knew that I had not done. So narrator को पता था कि उन्होंने नहीं खाया है, right? It made me very angry with my parents and servants, for I was sure that they had taken all the food, right? So basically narrator got angry because why did he become angry? Because उनको पता था कि उन्होंने fruits नहीं लिए हैं. So he became angry with his parents and servants. Next time fruit disappeared, I found a banana all smashed up in the Curry's pavilion. So next time जब सारे fruits disappear हुए, what did he see? He saw that a banana was there in Curry's pavilion. जो pavilion था Curry का, वहाँ पे एक banana था, smashed, crushed हुआ, right? And this surprised me very much, for I had never seen fruit there, and as you know, he had always lived on twigs. Okay, and this surprised him because वो हमेशा क्या खाता था? Twigs खाता था. Okay, so it surprised him. Next day, while I was sitting in the dining room wondering whether I should take some fruit from the table without my parents' permission, a long black thing very much like a snake suddenly came through the window and disappeared with all the bananas. So one day he was sitting at his dining table thinking of eating fruits. Suddenly क्या हुआ? A long thing like a snake वहाँ पे आता है and it just took all the fruits. वहाँ से सारे fruits, सारे bananas को वहाँ से disappear करके जाता है. I was very much frightened. Frightened means scared. I was very much frightened because I had never seen snakes eat bananas. I thought it must be a terrible snake that would sneak in and take fruits. So actually he was very surprised because he thought it was a snake. But snakes don't eat bananas. So he was a bit surprised. Sneak means to come in, right? So he was surprised that how can a snake come in and take all the fruits, right? I crept out of the room with great fear in my heart, ran out of the house, feeling sure that snake would come back into the house, eat all the fruits and kill all of us. So he got scared. He went outside and he was like, but the snake can come anytime and he can take all the fruits and he can kill all of us. So he was frightened. As I went out, I saw Curry's back disappearing in the direction of the pavilion. I was so frightened that I wanted his company to cheer me up. So as he went out, he saw that Curry was going back to his pavilion, right? and he wanted his company, right? That means he wanted to stay with Curry. Okay, I ran after him into pavilion and I found him there eating bananas. So he went there to meet him at his pavilion, right? वो pavilion में जाते हैं, and what did he see there? That Curry was eating bananas. So I stood in astonishment. What is astonishment? Great surprise. जब आप बहुत surprised होते हो. So I stood in astonishment because all the bananas were lying here and there around him. Strewn actually is like, they were just untidily, they were scattered here and there. That means who was taking all the bananas? It was
He stretched out
not
his
a
trunk and
snake,
reached
not the
for
servant. One far away from where he was standing. That instant, the trunk looked like a black snake. So he stretched out his trunk to just reach the banana which was far away. जो उनसे banana थोड़ा दूर था, he stretched out his trunk to get that. And the trunk looked like a snake. That's why narrator को क्या लगा था कि snake ने bananas लिए हैं. And I realized that Curry was thief. So thief कौन था? Fruits का, bananas का? It was Curry. I went to him, pulled him out by the ear and joyously showed my parents that it was Curry, not I, that had stolen all the fruit these many weeks. So he went to his parents and उन्हें बताया कि actually it was Curry who was taking the bananas. Then I scolded him for elephants understand words as well as children. And I said to him, next time I see you stealing fruit, you will be whipped. So he scolded, he just scolded Curry for stealing bananas. He knew that we were all angry with him, even the servants. His pride was so injured that he never stole anything from the dining room. So he was so hurt that everyone was scolding him. So from that day, he never stole anything from the dining room, right? And from then on, if anybody gave him any fruit, he always squealed as if to thank them. So if from then on, if anyone used to give him anything, he used to thank them, right? An elephant is willing to be punished for having wrong done. But if you punish him without any reason, he will remember it and pay you back in your own coin. That means he will take revenge. If you scold any elephant, right, he'll accept it. But if you'll scold without any reason, he'll pay it back to you. That means he'll take revenge. Curry is a fast learner. He masters all signals and sounds he is taught. There's one lesson though that an elephant takes 5 years to learn. Curry is no exception. So actually Curry is a fast learner. उनको जल्दी चीजें समझ में आती हैं, right? So in this part we are going to see how he learned, how he took 5 years to learn something. Just see. An elephant must be taught when to sit down, when to walk, when to go fast and when to go slow. You teach him these things as you teach a child. If you say dart and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. So obviously as children are taught, as in the same way elephants are also taught. If you will say dart and pull his ear, then he will sit down. Similarly, if you say Mali and pull his trunk forward, he will gradually learn that it is signal to walk. So when you will pull his trunk, he will feel that master is saying to move. Curry learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn that. So वो Mali तो जल्दी सीख गए, but to sit, he required lot of time. He was no good at sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Because he grows taller. Then you who take care of him, right? When he is 2 or 3 years, you can only reach his back with a ladder. Obviously, कितना high होता है elephant, so you can reach his back only with a ladder. What is a ladder? Ladder is like, you all have those wooden siddi, right? Through which you can climb any stair. It's like a stairs, wooden stairs. Okay, so they should be taught everything, but they need time. Same way, Curry also took time. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying dart so that you can climb upon his back. Obviously, अगर आपको you have to sit on an elephant, so you have to make him sit पहले, then only you will climb, right? For who want to carry a ladder around all the time, because you cannot carry a ladder all the time. आप हमेशा अपने साथ ladder नहीं रख सकते. So you have to make him understand to sit. Most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. What was the most difficult thing to teach was the master call. He generally takes 5 years to learn it properly. Master call is a strange hissing, howling sound. Actually क्या होता है? It's a howling, hissing sound, as if a snake tiger was fighting with each other, and you have to make that kind of noise in his ear. ओके, सो आपको उस नॉइस को उनके ईयर में सुनाना होता है, राइट. सो ही लर्नड इट, ही टुक 5 years फॉर दिस. And do you know what you expect an elephant to do when you give him the master call? So ये sound से होता क्या है actually? If you are lost in a jungle and there is no way out, everything is black except the stars above, you dare not stay very long anywhere. Okay, the only thing to do then is to give the master call, and at once elephant pulls down the trees in front of him with his trunk. This frightens all the animals away. So actually master call क्या है? Like if you give this master call ना, elephant will pull down the trees, right? elephant को अगर ये master call आता है तो elephant क्या करेगा, जो सारे trees हैं उनके आसपास उसको pull कर देगा, so that all the elephants, बाकी जो आसपास जो जितने भी animals हैं वो क्या करेंगे, डर जाएंगे, right? And it is just for the security purpose. Like if you are there at some place, if you are in a jungle and you are alone with your elephant, so what you can do, and you are scared, so you can just give master call and elephant will pull down all the trees and all the other animals will get scared. As the tree comes crashing down, monkeys wake from their sleep, run from branch to branch, right? You can see them in moonlight, and you can almost see the stags running in all directions below. You must have seen what animals, elephants sometimes break all the things around them, pull down, pull up all the trees and all. It is due to the master call. Okay. You can hear the growl of a tiger in the distance. Even he is frightened. So if, a tiger is there, he also frightened with all this act. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next. If you give him a master call, soon you will find that he has made a road right through the jungle straight to your house. And soon you will found, आपको क्या लगेगा कि actually में this elephant has cleared a road for you or pathway for you to go to your house. This is how these elephants do such things when a master call is given to an elephant. Okay, so students, this is how this story tells us that how these Curry, right, how he was so caring for that boy, right, how he was so joyful, how he used to just thank for anything if anyone used to give him. The first part we have seen that he was so caring that he saved a drowning boy. In the second part we have seen that he thanked if anyone used to give him anything, right? In the third part we have seen that he was sensible. So here your chapter comes to an end, students. I hope you have understood the qualities of animals through this chapter. Read the chapter, students. Any query, you can contact me. See you all in your next class. Till then, just take care, students. Read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.